Welcome to Manna, and thank you for joining as a manufacturer member. Let's take a quick look at some of the things Manna does for you. We help you connect with professional manufacturers' representatives. Use the Rep Finder to create a list of prospects to contact. The manufacturer's representatives, in turn, use Manna's Line Finder to find you. Manufacturer members get discounts when they buy either online ads or agency sales magazine ads. We help you learn ways to get the most from your manufacturer's representative network. Our member-only Steps to Being a Quality Principal takes you from an understanding of the relationship to developing new markets with professional manufacturers' representatives. Every month, you receive monthly newsletters with tips on how to connect and partner with manufacturers' representatives. And Manna's monthly 84-page full-color business magazine, Agency Sales. Among many other resources, we provide a specimen rep agreement you and your attorney can tweak to fit your needs. We help with any issues you encounter. Our staff executives are ready to learn about issues you face and offer guidance on how to resolve them. That's just the tip of the iceberg. To learn more about your benefits of membership, visit mannaonline.org and log in to the member area of the Manna website. Or email us at manna@mannaonline.org. Or call 877-626-2776.